This tutorial is on how to deploy or how to create a monitor using Antryk monitor services. So monitor service is Antryk's uptime and infrastructure monitoring system designed for websites, APIs, backend services, servers, and network-based applications. The platform continuously checks configured targets based on customizable intervals and timeout settings. Whenever a service becomes unavailable, slow, or returns unexpected responses, Entry automatically records the event and can notify administrators through configured notifications. The monitoring platform supports HTTP and HTTPS monitoring, API health checks, server availability checks, port monitoring, socket connection monitoring, status validation, performance monitoring, historical monitoring logs, and much more. So to get started with monitors, log in into your Antryk dashboard. On the sidebar, in the operations section, come to monitors. Here you can see already created monitors which are running. Click on add monitor. Now this is a basic form which we have to fill and click on create monitor and that's it. Let's start with giving monitor a name. Give your monitor a descriptive name like Antryk monitor. Now come to monitor types. So after giving the name, select your monitor type. HTTPS is for web services, HTTPS servers or API endpoints, and sockets are for TCP and UDP socket services. If we select HTTPS, we have to give a target URL and expected status code, which we expect from the URL or the service, like 200, 201, 204, and etc. Or if we select socket, we have to give the target host. For this tutorial, let's select HTTPS and paste the target URL. That will be, let's take a simple URL like facebook.com. Now we expect 200 status code. Then coming to the timing configuration section. So let's talk about check interval. So timing configuration or check interval controls how frequently Entry checks the monitor and how long the platform waits before making the service or marking the service as unavailable. So there can be 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute. So you can choose according to your needs. Like we are going to select 30 minutes or yeah, let it be 5 minutes. Then timeout. So, timeout defines the maximum amount of time Entry waits for a service response before considering the check failed. So, let's set it to 10 seconds. And here is a recommendation from our side. Coming to the notification part, here we can either enable the notifications or disable the notifications. So, when will be notified? So, when your monitor goes down, when your monitor recovers, or when SSL certificates are expiring. These are some of the few conditions where you will be notified to your desired email. To enable it, let's enable and give an example email like xyz.com. For this tutorial purpose, let's disable it. Now, just click on create monitor. Now we have to wait for some time and then it will be up. So we can see that our status is down. So the website returned down response time HTTP code. So this is our overview page where we have monitor configuration and the checks. And this is the setting where we can edit our basic configurations or delete the service. Let's see another monitor for example. So for going to monitor listing page, click on monitor. Here we will see all the monitors. Let's see another monitor and here also we can see the checks and the status HTTP code, everything. So with this, we have seen how to use Entryk monitor services for monitors.